Now in this video we will study about electric field and electric potential due to charge inside a cavity. Let us say we have a thick shell with center at C and inner radius R1 and outer radius R2. Now let us say we put a charge inside the cavity which is not at center. Okay, when the charge is at the center, the cases are very simple. In competitive exams like JEE or NEET, we do not come across any such kind of cases. So we'll take a more complicated case that plus Q charge is not at the center, instead it is at a distance x from the center. Now what will happen, because this is a positive charge, it will create a negative charge inside the cavity, and because of this a positive charge will be induced on the outer surface of the shell. Now potential at the center, first let's calculate V at the center of cavity or center of the shell, whatever you can say. V at the center, let us say VC, will be because of the following charges. First charge, the first charge that will create the potential at the center will be this plus Q charge. Now since it is at a distance x, we can write this as KQ by x. Then the more potential will be induced by the negative charge on the sphere. Now this can be written as like this, because the distance of negative charge from the center is R1 and the Q is minus, so the minus sign comes here. And the potential due to the outer sphere, KQ by R2. Now if we calculate about the electric field, then electric field due to the outer charge inside the shell will be zero. Why? Because the electric field of this positive charge will be cancelled out by the diagonally opposite positive charge. This positive charge will be cancelled out by the diagonally opposite positive charge. So all the electric fields due to outer charge will get cancelled, and the electric field inside the shell because of the outer charge will be equal to zero. Now the charge remaining is this negative charge inside and the plus Q inside the cavity. Now if this plus Q charge were at center, if this were at center, then the electric field would be minus KQ R1 because of this negative charge. But since it is not at the center, so the distribution of negative charge inside the cavity is non-uniform. There is more negative charge near the Q and less negative charge away from the Q. So the function that is given here, the function that will be formed here, is more complex and it is beyond the scope of any school level competition exam. So we are not going to understand that. Instead we can take another case, that we can find the electric field intensity at a distance r from the center, which is outside the sphere. Let us say here at a distance r from the center. Now for a point here, all the charge is considered to be concentrated at the center, so we can say that E will at the outer surface will be because of outer charge. This charge Q and minus charge will create flux here, and this flux is not carried out on the outer surface. So the electric field due to this center cavity on this point will be zero. So the only charge which is going to create electric field on this point will be the outer charge. So electric field, let us say out, E out, will be equal to KQ upon R square, and similarly potential V out will be equal to KQ upon R. So we can see here that outside the sphere, the charge, the electric field intensity and potential is because of the outer charge. Inside the sphere, it is because of all the charges that are there.